Hello everyone, start off by drawing the number 1 and then draw the number 3 right beside it as such. After you have done this, add the middle loop to it as such, and then afterwards add the cylindrical shape on one of the sides. Now add a little leaf on one of the ends, and then afterwards do the same on the other side as well. Now for the top, add little ears to it and then add eyes. Make it have a fluffy tail and then it'll look like a little panda. Once you color it in, make sure that you do so the eyes as well. Make sure to add a cute little mouth to it as well, and then you can add a little smile to it. Take a black marker and fill in the ears and other parts of the face such as the eyes as such. This is what it should look like. Now after you're done with the panda, you may also color in the shoot in green, that is the bamboo shoot. Make sure that you do not overlap with the panda as such. Now we'll be learning how to draw a kangaroo. Start off by drawing a 2 and then a 7 right beside it and then a 3 on top of this as such. Now add ears to the top and then connect the back and then add a long tail at the back as well. Add the feet in the front along with the toes. Now add the arms to it as well on either side. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape underneath it. Draw a 2 and then a 6 to connect the head to the body. Now add ears at the top and then add a cute little bunny floofy tail. Now add eyes in the face and then add a little nose, add a smiley face and then add little teeth. Connect it to a little carrot and then color it in. Add leaves to the top and then ears to the top as well using pink. Next, start off by drawing the number 9 and then add the number 2 at the bottom, draw the number 6 at the back. Add 2 ear-like shapes as such and then add a tail shape at the back. Now after this, add the shape of an eye as well and then add the shape on the tail. Add a little snout to it, add arms on either end and then add feet as well. Add little toes. Now add the detailing to the ears as well. Color this in. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape and add 2 more circular shapes underneath it. Now connect it to 2 lines as such. Add a 6 shape on either side and then at the top you may add some ears. Add a little ovular shape in the front and then do it in the belly portion as well. Do it in the ears and then within the paws as well. Add eyes at the top of this. Now add a little snout to it as well. Add a cute smiley face and add a message of love at the top. Next, we'll start off by taking a marker or a sketch pen and then draw these 2 R's to begin with. After this, draw circles within circles as such. Now add arms to each of them, color it in, add tails to each of them as well. Use a marker in order to make the eyes and then add a little mouth to it as well. Color in the belly as such and add multiple lines to it as such. Now add vertical lines or add curvy lines to the back. Next, start off by drawing the shape in order to make the head. Underneath it, draw the body. Don't forget to draw the ears. Add the detailing to the ears as well, and then after this, you may add the wings at the back. Add a little bit of fluff at the back as well, then add the arms. Begin to draw in the eyes, and then begin to color it in a light shade of green as such. Do this all around, and then use a darker shade of green for the back. Next, draw the circular shape and then afterwards draw a little head on top of this and then ears to it as well. Add these eyes on either side, add 2 little nostrils and then underneath it draw legs. Draw 4 legs or 3 of them and then at the back draw the rest of the body, add a little tail and then other details as well. Thank you for watching.